students, welcome to history lecture of standard 7th. Today we are going to start chapter number 5, the foundation of the Swaraj. Students, in our previous chapter we have studied in 17th century the condition of people of Maharashtra was miserable. People suffered harassment from the unjust ruling powers in Maharashtra. In the first half of the 17th century, an epoch-making personality emerged in Maharashtra. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. He established Swaraj by challenging the unjust ruling powers here. Shivaji Maharaj was born at the Shivneri fort near Junnar in Pune district on the day of Falgun Vadya Tritiya in Shaka year 1551, that is on 19th February 1630. In this chapter, we will study how he founded Swaraj. Shahaji Raje. Shahaji Raje was the father of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. He was a preeminent Sardar in the Deccan, in the Nizam Shahi kingdom. The Adil Shah of Bijapur and the Mughals launched a campaign to conquer the Nizam Shahi kingdom. Shahaji Raje tried to save Nizam Shahi, but he could not withstand the combined forces of the Mughals and Adil Shah. The Nizam Shahi was defeated and came to an end in 1636 CE. After the Nizam Shahi was wiped out, Shahaji Raje became a Sardar of the Adil Shah of Bijapur. As a Sardar, he received the regions of Pune, Supe, Indapur and Chakan Parganas located between the Bhima and Nira rivers as a Jagir. Adil Shah also granted the Jagir of Bengaluru and the neighboring areas in Karnataka to Shahaji Raje. Students, what does Jagir means? Jagir means the right to enjoy the revenue of a region. The Sardars working in the service of rulers used to get the right to enjoy the revenue of the particular region as their income instead of salaries. Shahaji Raje was valiant, courageous, intelligent and a great political expert. He was an excellent archer. Archer means shooting bow and arrow. He was excellent in shooting bow and arrow. He was also an expert in using the sword, patta and spear. He loved his subjects. Subjects means people. He had won many regions in Maharashtra, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. While Shivaji and Jijabai were at Bengaluru, Shahaji Raje had arranged for providing excellent education to Shivaji so as to enable him to become a king. He himself aspired to establish Swaraj by ousting the powers of foreign people. That is why he is known as Swaraj Visionary. He sent Shivaji and Jijabai from Bengaluru to Pune with loyal and competent associates. Veer Mata Jijabai. Jijabai was the daughter of the great Sardar Lakhuji Raje Jadhav of Sindhkhed in Buldana district. At a young age, she received military training as well as education in various subjects. She helped and encouraged Shahaji Maharaj to realize his dream of establishing Swaraj. She was competent and visionary political expert. She constantly guided Shivaji in the mission of establishing Swaraj. She was very particular about giving excellent education to Shivaji. She instilled in him values like modesty, truthfulness, oratory, vigilance, courage and fearlessness. Means she taught Shivaji to be brave, honest, to always speak truth, and be fearless. She saw that he was trained in the usage of weapons and inspired in him the will to win and dream of Swaraj. Shivaji's companions and associates. Shivaji Maharaj started the work of founding the Swaraj in the Mawal region. The Mawal terrain is full of hills and valleys and is not easily accessible. Shivaji Maharaj used these geographical features of Mawal very skillfully for the purpose of foundation of the Swaraj. He created a feeling of trust in the minds of the people. Many companions and associates joined him in the work of founding the Swaraj. Among them were Yasaji Kang, Baji Pasalkar, Bapuji Mudgal, Narhekar Deshpande brothers, Kauji Khandarkar, Jiva Mahala, Tanaji Malusare, Kanhoji Jede, Baji Prabhu Deshpande and Dadaji Naras Prabhu Deshpande. On the strength of these associates, Shivaji Maharaj undertook the cause of the Swaraj. Students, Mawal Valley in the Sayadris was a region in the Pune Jagir of Shivaji Maharaj which was known as Bara Mawal, which includes Pavar Mawal, Hirdas Mawal, Gunjan Mawal, Paud Valley, Muthe Valley, Mose Valley, Kannad Valley, Velwant Valley, Rohid Valley, Andar Mawal, Nane Mawal, Korbarse Mawal. Royal Seal, which is also known as Raj Mudra. The objective of Shivaji Maharaj of establishing Swaraj is clearly expressed in his royal seal. The meaning of the inscription inscribed on the royal seal is, "This seal will grow in splendor like the new moon." This seal of Shivaji Maharaj, the son of Shahaji, receiving homage from the whole world, denotes the welfare of the people, which means the inscription on the seal is important from many angles. Through this inscription, Maharaj has expressed his gratitude towards his father, his confidence that Swaraj would expand continuously, his own experience of the respect that is Swaraj commanded from all, his commitment to the welfare of his subjects, and the certainty of ruling over his land independently. This short inscription covers the entire concept of Swaraj.